How to create personalized contact photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your iPhone. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts. Then, tap on All Contacts at the very top. Now, tap on the contact you want to personalize. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. On this page, tap on Edit again, just below the contact photo. You will be taken to the customization page. At the top, tap on Poster, then tap the photo icon at the bottom left as shown. From here, select Photo Library. Choose the photo you want to use from your gallery. You can pinch to zoom or crop the photo to fit properly. You can also swipe to apply different photo filters. Once you're satisfied, tap on Done at the top right corner. Then, tap on the checkmark icon to save your changes. You have now successfully created a personalized contact photo. Following these steps, you can easily create a personalized contact photo on an iPhone.